What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you Montana Avenue, which is a popular street in Santa Monica. Let's check it out. Montana Avenue is a charming neighborhood that is a well-regarded destination in Santa Monica. I'm a bit biased because I live in this area, but overall I think most residents would agree that this is one of the most desirable areas of Santa Monica to live in. Known for its upscale boutiques and restaurants and cafes, this street offers a blend of luxury shopping and upscale dining. On Montana Avenue, you will also find home decor stores, art galleries, and other specialty shops. The ambiance of Montana Avenue is relaxed and inviting, making it a pleasant place to stroll and explore. You will often see the street closed off at parts for local neighborhood events. Despite being close to 3rd Street Promenade and the Santa Monica Pier, this street is just enough off the beaten trail that you won't see as many tourists, but mostly local residents that live nearby. Montana Avenue divides two neighborhoods: north of Montana, also known as Nomo, and Wilshire, Montana neighborhood. North of Montana is mostly made up of single-family homes with lot sizes around 7,500 square feet. But there are a few streets where some homes are on double lots, averaging about 22,000 square feet. As of today, the median list price for single-family homes north of Montana is $5.5 million. The median list price for condos north of Montana is $2.2 million. Wilshire, Montana is mostly made up of apartments and multifamily residences. As of today, the median list price for single-family homes south of Montana is $3.7 million. The median list price for condos south of Montana is $2 million. A lot of the multifamily is under rent control, so this area is comprised of a diverse group of residents, with many who have rented their same home for over 20 years. If you were looking to buy or sell a home in Santa Monica, our team would love to be your real estate resource of choice. Contact us today to get started.